Hello. Am I audible to all of you?
Yes, sir.
Thank you, Aprim. So in case of the categorical data, we are mainly concerned with the frequency. But in case of the metric data, we are mainly concerned with the score. Why score? Why not frequency? Why in categorical data we are not concerned with the score?
Sir, because in categorical data, there are only nominal and ordinal
Yeah,
values.
very good. So that in case of the categorical data, we cannot determine the standard deviation. You know, we cannot. But in case of the metric data, we can do the standard deviation, variance, etc. Now you go to the Google Classroom. Farah has given one data set. Farah, can you share?
Yes, sir, it is there on Google Classroom. Let me show them.
Is there anyone having the laptop so that we can guide and you can learn it very easily? Hands-on experience is vital.
So, who is going to share his screen or her screen for this work? Students, are you there? Afreen, Anushka.
Ma'am, I still have a two-way situation where like I have to attend the class. If I have to share, I have to join again through my laptop.
Balloon?
Yeah, you are using. Okay, Kabir is saying he is using two devices. So, Kabir, you can share the screen. There is no problem, right?
ঠিক আছে, তাতে অসুবিধা কিছু নেই।
No, ma'am. I'm using the RStudio on laptop and I'm doing the class on phone. So,
Yeah, ma'am, that's the same thing I'm doing. Hence, like if we share, we have to join again.
Yes, ma'am, same here.
So, you can join. You can join with the link. From the link,
Okay,
you can
ma'am.
join.
I'm trying. I'm trying.
Yeah.
Ki Anushka has the laptop.
Yeah, she has laptop, sir.
So I think that is better. So
Yes,
hands-on
Kabir,
experience.
you can also join from the laptop. There is no problem. I am using two devices. I am also
Kab
using two devices. Yeah.
Kabir, একবার try কর না যদি পারিস।
actually, ma'am, my laptop is not in the condition to run the classroom software.
Okay, okay. It's slow.
It will
Okay.
be difficult.
Okay. Anushka, can you do it?
I am trying, ma'am. I'm just trying to join. If it's happening, just give me 2 minutes, or if somebody can try alongside. So who's ever opening first, they can share. Jeannie, Afrin, if anybody can try along.
Yeah, because see, students, you need to do this task, okay? It is for you because if I do something, then you will not learn. Anybody is there? Afreen?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah, Afreen, can you share your screen? Will it be possible for you?
Ma'am, RStudio.
Yeah, R Studio. First, you have to open the file, Excel sheet. You know how to share the screen, right? You
Yes, ma'am.
you go to Google Classroom, upload that safety file in your laptop, and then share the screen. Okay, then let me share my screen. Okay, this is the file. Okay, it's okay, students. So this is the file, sir.
Yeah, now you select from in 3.1 with a header up to 113. And then below, you go up. Yeah. Now you select and then copy. Now you go to RStudio, import the data, check the data. Yeah. So students, please you follow how the data has been imported. It is written the new vector safety data equal to read.table file equal to clipboard. So clipboard means whatever the data copied, that is the clipboard. Then header equal to T. Header means what is the variable name? Equal to T. T means capital T. It means true. Comma safe equal to within double inverted comma slash T. Here safe. Safe means separator. So this particular code indicates that the data will be collected from the table data. Now, Farah, you write down. That is the describe bracket safety data. Enter. So, dear students, you have to do this thing. And here you can find out 3.1, 3.2, 3.3, 3.4, 5, 6.
Third.
You have not seen the 7. Okay. So few items are not there. because after item analysis, we have deleted those items from our model. So here you go up, Farah. Yeah, so first one is the variable. And next one is the N. N means how many observations are there. Next is the mean. Next is standard deviation. Next is median. Next is trimmed mean. Trimmed mean has the advantage, that is, if there is some missing data, if there is outlier, it can control those errors. Next is the MAD. MAD means median deviation. For example, in case of the mean, we are writing standard deviation, but we cannot use the standard deviation for the median. For the median, it is the MAD. Then the minimum, maximum. Why this thing is important? So that you can check, that is, whether there is any data entry error or not. And you have noted that all the data minimum is 1 and maximum is 5. In only one data, maybe the 314, you will find 1 is not there, but 2 starts. That possibility is there. And the range means basically the from maximum to the minimum. What is the difference? And difference here you can find out the 4. But only in case of the variable 14, you have noted that is the range is 3. Because there is no data that can be counted from 1. Now you go below, Farah. Okay, now you will find that is the skewness is there. Cartouche is also there, particularly for the 13 number items. You will find the cartouches is high. And 3, that is the 23 number item, again you will find the cartouches is very high. Okay, now Farah, you
Just
write
one
down
minute.
safety describe. No, you write down safety describe equal to describe bracket the vector name. Yeah, then enter. Now you write down attributes bracket safety described. Enter. So here you can find out that is the mean, standard deviation, all those things. So now, Farah, you write down that is the, yes.
Sir, can I please request ma'am to just scroll up once? I missed the commands that she typed. Please. Okay, ma'am. Thank you.
You're welcome.
Now, Farah, you write down that is the short, S-O-R-T, short, bracket, safety describe dollar mean, then enter. Okay, so now you can find out that is there are some data and the mean is very low. Okay, very low means 1.51. And there are some data where the mean is very high. So you have to find out that is where the mean is very low. That means the respondent's opinion about the safety consciousness that is low. And particularly where you will find that it is more than 4.5. More than 4.5, how many data are there? More than 4.5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21. Okay. So you will find that is there are some data where it is more than 4.45. Or if you want to check that is how many data is above. So Farah, you write down table bracket safety describe what happened. Please stop. Please stop. Please mute. Dear students, please mute yourself. Sorry, I cannot see Farah. What is there?
This is safety describe. Table bracket safety describe.
Safety describe, then the dollar mean greater than sign.
Yes.
Yeah. 4.0. Then enter. So here you can find out of 113, 40 data you will find that is the safety consciousness is very high. Okay. And how many data is less than 3? You write down table less than 3. Enter. So you will find 32 data, that is the less than 3. Okay, so you have to interpret your data in such a manner so that you can tell that is where the workers, they perceived that their safety awareness is high, and where the workers perceive that their safety consciousness is low. This is clear to all of you, dear students. Hello.
So can
Is
you
it
just again, for the recapitulation of the whole thing, can you tell me the steps again? Like just summarize it again.
okay? So Farah, you go top. This is the initially thing, data extraction from the Excel.
Mhm.
That is the read.table command is there. Okay. Now, here you can find out the descriptive statistics.
Okay.
But here we have not created any vector. Without vector, we have done this analysis. So now we are creating the vector. You go below, Farah. So here you can find out that is we have created the vector that is safety describe. In the safety describe, we have all the attributes. That is the mean, standard deviation, median, etc., all the attributes. And for our analysis, we will usually interpret our data based upon the mean. So since it is a 5-point rating scale, we can assume that if the data, particularly the mean, is less than 3, that means these are the areas where workers perceive that they were less conscious, and where we have noted that is the mean is above 4, that indicates that is the areas where in the workers are more conscious about the safety procedure. Now it is clear.
Yes,
So
sir.
for the intervention, we have to give much importance on the scores or on the items wherein the score is less than 3. And in our analysis, we have noticed that less than 3 number of items are 32. So these are the areas wherein we have to give importance more. This is clear to all of you. Now it is clear, Anushka.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Okay. But this is the surface level understanding. Now we have to find out the item total correlation. Item total correlation and also the inter-item correlation. So Farah, you write down lower code. Bracket safety data, enter. So now this is the lower code. You will find that is the how one item is correlated with other items. What is their pattern? Now, Farah, you go below. Please make the vector for the row-wise sum.
The apply, right?
Yes. Yeah, then enter. So you write down length, safety data, bracketed safety data, sum, enter. So here you can find out that is the 160 observation is there. Okay. So you will
Sir,
get
when I'm
the,
doing this step, it is showing an error message. The error is saying object safety data sum is not found.
because we have not created the safety data sum. Safety data sum you have to create. This is the vector.
Okay, okay, got it.
It is written safety data sum equal to apply safety data, comma 1, comma sum. Okay. And then you
Yes,
can
sir,
find
got
out,
it.
yeah. So Farah, you can write down paste bracket safety data sum, enter. So this is the sum. Now we have to find out the item total correlation. That means each item to what extent is correlated with the total. Then we have to do the column bind. So Farah, you write down, correct. C bind, bracket safety data. No, nothing. No, it's okay. Then enter. Now you check. Okay. So you will find that is all the column data that is there. Now, Farah, you write down round bracket COR bracket safety data cbind comma safety data sum, then enter. Yeah. So here we can find out the correlation between the item and the total. So this is the item total correlation. This is clear to all of you. So Farah, you can make one vector.
Yes.
This round.
So, for what, sir?
No, for this vector, because there is no vector, no, it is written round code.
Yes.
But before that, if you write down safety data
Yes, sir.
item total correlation, safety data item total correlation. Yeah. Then enter. Now you can write down that is the, yeah. Okay. Now it becomes very difficult for you to find out the range. Therefore, we can write down the short, SORT short, bracket, then safety data, yes. So here we find that is there are some data, they are not highly correlated. For example, this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And we have noted that is the item total correlation is relatively better in case of the 0.5 and 0.54. Or if you think that is your target is 0.4, then you can think 0.4, 0.4, 0.41, etc., etc., etc. But here keep in mind, because the data which is 0.15, that is also significant. So Farah, can you go to this, write down code.test, bracket, yeah, so this safety, you will take the 104 safety data sum. Whether there is any dollar, safety data sum dollar.
No, sir.
No safety data sum, there is no dollar. Okay, so safety data sum.
So, safety data, yeah.
Yeah. Not the sum. You will find out the safety data
Yes, sir.
dollar. That is for the what is 0.15, 104. Item 104. Comma safety data. There is some.
Yes, sir.
Then enter. So here you will find the correlation is 0.15, but this is significant. Okay. So we can consider this data. But some data which is very poor, we cannot consider for our model. Maybe 0.13, we can check 0.13 is significant or not. So Farah, you go to the item total correlation. Is there any 0.13? 0.12, I find 0.13, yes. So 26, yes. So you can take that data, code.test and dollar. Then enter. Yeah, so 0.13, that means these items are not significant. So we can consider the 0.15 instead of this. So how many data are below 0.15? So Farah, you write down safety data, you write down table, bracket, safety data. Now, what is the correlation? Do you have the correlation? Safety data correlation less than 0.15. Enter. So you can find out the true 15 data. That means you have collected the data, 113 total data. Out of that 15 data, they are not significantly correlated with the total scope. This is clear to all of you? Hello, students. Okay. Thank you. Now, Farah, you go to this. Now you check. That is the Cronbach's alpha. So now you will find that is the Cronbach's alpha is 0.86. That means the internal consistency among the items are very high. Okay. And keep in mind that is there are some data which are not highly correlated with the total score. That is these 15 items. that is also included in the model. So if you want to remove those items, you can remove, but keep in mind that is when you remove those items, some of the item information that will be lost. Since your convex alpha is better, 0.86, so you can keep those items for your model. Okay, so it is up to you as a researcher to keep those items or not. This is clear to all of you. Hello. Convex alpha, this is clear to all of you. Okay. Thank you, Shagnik. So now it is your function to make the table because you have the items. And you have the mean, standard deviation, etc. All those things are there. Okay. So you have to explain your items. You have to interpret the data. Now, Farah, you can show the only the mean and standard deviation. No. You have the data frame. Describe data you have. If you write down dollar mean, enter. So this is the mean. Okay, so 4.2, that is the first item. Keep in mind that here our item name has been changed. So, Farah, you write down names. Yeah. So first one will be 3.1. And then 3.2. So Farah, you can write down x equal to data dot frame bracket describe.
So safety data.
And then the mean, dollar mean, comma, dollar standard deviation. SD. Then enter. Then you write down X, enter. Acha, the names are not there, na?
Yes, sir.
Can I include the names?
So then We have to safety. Safety data we have to take them.
Safety data, no.
Box, dollar.
No, it will not come.
It will not.
Names will be separate.
Dollar wise, we have to do the data frames.
And dollar में तो mean beta and the
Yes,
standard deviation, but what is the name? That cannot be.
I mean, sir, manually like this we have to do. So, safety data, M31. So, like this we have to do.
Oh God.
Yeah, this is
That,
active.
that is not possible.
Yes, sir.
But okay.
But
Yeah.
one more thing we can do. It's an x equal to 1:160, right? Can that be possible? No, it is not possible. Not possible, sir. Acha, one more bracket. No, it is not possible, sir. So they have to see from here.
If you write down names, safety data,
Yes, sir.
x equal to data dot frame,
Okay. Yes, sir.
bracket, names equal to names. Yeah, you have to write down names.
Yes, sir. Names.
Names equal to
Yeah.
safety data. No. Names, that will be your function. Names equal to names,
Okay.
bracket safety data.
Like
Yeah.
this.
After that, comma.
Okay.
Then safety describe dollar mean. Check.
Enter.
Enter.
No. Yes, it is coming.
Yeah.
Oh, it's coming. Yeah.
Finally done.
Yeah.
Okay. So now you can find out that is the item and where the mean is very high. 4.58 M310. So 4.71, that is also there.
So 4.75 is the highest, I think. M3.
So what is that item?
So there are 2-3 items which are showing 4.75. One,
91.
yeah, and 7. So
Junior, do you have the questionnaire now?
M337.
Siddhatri, Anushka, the questionnaire is available in Google Classroom.
Yes, sir.
Acha Farah, now you can do another thing.
Yes, sir.
Because you have the correlation, item total correlation data you have.
Yes, sir.
So you can add that one, x equal to
Okay.
data dot frame bracket x, comma, what is the name of correlation? Then enter. Now you write down x. Yeah, so you will get the item and item total correlation, everything. So you will get the names, acha, names 2 times.
Sir, names 2 times coming because of the item total.
Okay, you can maintain that earlier one.
This one.
No. Yeah. What is written, that is X data frame.
Yes.
Just you copy this and you copy and you write down. And after that, after SD, comma, then is the correlation. What is the data? Yes. Now you enter. Now you write down X3. Now we can find out.
I was 2 times coming.
Huh?
Yes, sir,
Oh,
because safety item maybe hai na, sir. There are names. So that is
for
why.
that reason, yeah,
Yeah.
names is there. Acha.
We can
Okay.
remove this thing. Names equal to names safety data.
If you can remove, then automatically again it will come. Yes.
So let me see. Yes, sir. Now it is coming only.
Yeah, it is looking
Yes.
better.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So now the correlation is very high. Where is the correlation very high? 0.554 only to correlation is there. 0.54.
The 5, 4, 2 is not there, but yeah, 5.
0.5.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. 5, 4 is there. 4 and 3.
That is the 45 number items.
Yeah.
So these items are highly correlated with the safety consciousness.
The 45 number item is I make decision based only on my first impressions.
Acha. I do not know why this item is highly correlated.
This is many people are taking decisions on the basis of first impressions, I guess, at their workplace.
Yeah, so they are not second thought.
Yeah.
There is no second thought. Now you go to the 25 number item.
25.
0.5.
0.50. That is in making decision, I always rely on my intuitions, then seeking additional information.
In making decision, you are taking the additional information. Okay.
No, sir. On intuitions, depending upon the intuitions, not seeking additional information.
Acha. Okay. So intuition.
Yeah, intuitive. People are intuitive
Acha.
in making decisions.
Now related to the not item total correlation, you just check the mean.
Okay, sir.
Where is
Mean,
the mean is very high?
mean is high, sir.
4.71.
37, 4.75.
What is that item? 37.
37 item is I try to be courteous to everyone I meet. That is,
I try to.
I try to be. One second. The courteous. The COURTEOUS.
To.
Like to be respectful.
What is that item?
So that item is 37. The next is 91.
Okay, whatever the things are there. So please now you can interpret the data based upon the mean and standard deviation. What is the standard deviation is very low.
The low is 1, so 1 point
0 point something.
0 is also there, sir. 0 is 1 point.
No, not the 1 point. You write down mean, MIN mean.
Okay, sir.
No. You write down MIN mean.
Okay, sir.
MIN.
Oh, okay. Yes, sir.
Bracket. Then you write down this, whatever the variable name, X dollar. Yeah. The SD. Safety describe.sd.
Okay.
Enter.
0.39. Okay, you're talking
Yeah.
about.
So you have to find out what is the 0.39.
There is. Sir, last item,
Last one.
113. 113. The company has employee coaching opportunities to improve workplace safety.
Okay. That means employees are very happy
Yes, sir.
for the safety training.
Yes, sir.
And majority are in favor of this because the within group variability is very less,
Yes.
0.39. And where you can find out the within group variability very high. So you write down max. Then enter.
1.59. So 1.59.
What is 1.59?
So here, 70 item.
70, yeah.
So
3.1, mean is 3.12.
I believe we should look to our religious authority for decisions.
I do believe.
So I believe we should look to our religious authority for decisions.
Okay, yeah. So the religion is not the issue. Okay, they are thinking that is the religion is not the issue. Sometimes we are giving importance on the religious value, but here the workers are thinking that is religion is not the issue. And in this connection, there is a difference of opinion. Difference of opinion is very high. Now, so that it becomes 1.59. Okay. So this is all about our data.
Sir, shall I give them the script so that they can practice and analyze?
Yeah, you can give. So students, any question you have? Is it clear to all of you? Achha, you have to, your assignment, huh? Your assignment includes the first is the item. The second one is the description of the item. That is the mean, standard deviation, skewness, kurtosis, and item total correlation. And after that, you have to interpret your data based upon the mean, standard deviation, and the item total correlation. Okay? Anushka, any question?
Not until now, sir. I think I have to practice again hands-on once to see if I have any doubts.
Yeah, please you finish it, because this course is your crash course. So you have to do. Sridatri, whatever the discussion we have done today, any question? No, sir. Okay. Jinia?
No questions as of now, sir.
Okay, so please, I think everybody will practice whatever the things I have shown today. And please, you practice it thoroughly. And there will be the assignment. Assignment is very simple. That is this total number of items. How many items finally, Farah?
Sir, we have, so one second, dim, I need to check dim.
Just you write down length, code, then we can get it. Out of 113, many items we have rejected.
The 98.
Okay, only the 98 out of 113.
Yes.
98 items are there, and the convex alpha, that is the 0.86.
83. Yes, 86. Yeah.
0.86. So you have to interpret the descriptive statistics first. Second is the item total correlation. And third one is the convex alpha. And tomorrow we will learn some other statistics. Okay? Achha, we have shown one format of writing the research report. Farah, have you given?
Sir, I have shared the sample report on Google Classroom.
So
Okay,
I
just
think
to just
I
to
saw
remove.
the sir, I saw the sample report, but it's a bit unclear because we of course understand the format of it, but
Yeah.
then I think we need a bit more clearer view on what we will include in our report, because the sample report which was shared, it was in on a different topic altogether where the person has collected data, but I don't think we will collect data. So I think if you just
Yeah, I
give us a
understand.
yes,
In
yes.
your case, you will write down, that is in the method section, you will write down the data is provided by the institute. Ravindric Psychotherapy Research Institute Trust has provided the data. Okay. Because we have collected this data, the copyright of this data is RPRIT. So we are giving you the data for your training purpose.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
Only thing you have to write down how many row variables are there. Sorry, how many observations are there. So 160 observation is there. And how many columns are there. So this dimension you can write down. Inclusion, exclusion criteria, that is not required for you. Okay. I think you do not have any question now. So I can close this session. So Farah, please you call Barsha.
Yes, sir. So you please stop recording, sir.
Where I can stop.